Welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers.
Yeah, welcome.
Looks like we're ready to eat again.
Today we're going to show you how to make this wonderful Italian bread. It's an authentic rustic Italian bread along with some olive oil dipping sauce.
With garlic, basil, parsley, rosemary, crushed red pepper, and a little salt and pepper in there too.
Oh yeah.
Yum,
Okay,
yum.
let's get rolling. All right, let me show you how to make this Italian bread. It's real simple. All we're gonna have is warm water. It's a cup and a half. We're gonna have some sea salt, some dried yeast, and flour. That's all it is. All right, now I have a mixer here, but you can mix this. You can mix these ingredients up in a little bowl, actually, if you don't have a mixer.
In a bowl.
Real simple. All right, first thing we're gonna do.
There's your Brooklyn accent.
Yeah, we got we have 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I like to use this King Arthur flour here. It's really good. It's got the perfect amount of gluten in it, and it really creates a nice crispy bread. All right, so now all we're gonna do now is put in a teaspoon of sea salt, and then 2 teaspoons of dry yeast. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix this around for a second. Let that all get incorporated, the salt and the yeast get incorporated in the flour nice and evenly. Real simple. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and lower this, and I'm just gonna pour this 1.5 cups of water into my flour mixture here. Now the dough is going to be real sticky. That's the consistency you want for this type of bread. This is a rustic Italian bread right here. Dough's starting to form. You just want to get it to a ball, a nice ball. It's going to be a sticky ball, like I said, but that's the consistency we want. All right, dough is ready. I'll turn that off. A little sticky, like I said, but this is what we want here. This is the consistency we need here to create nice air pockets in the dough or the bread. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and place some plastic wrap over the bowl. You want to put it on there loosely. You don't want it airtight. Plastic wrap is tricky.
It's a pain in the ass is what it is.
I know, but I hate it. All right. Well, we just got that covered, and I'm going to go ahead and cover this with a little towel. And then we're going to let this rest for about 2 to 3 hours, depending on the temperature outside, the humidity. It could take up to 3 hours, but we'll check it later. All right.
All righty then.
All right, dough is ready. I've had it rest in about 2.5 hours. Now we're gonna go ahead and form the loaf. It's gonna be a round loaf. You wanna make sure you put plenty of flour on the board here and also on your hands, because this dough, like I said earlier, is sticky. So I went ahead and got a little spatula, makes it a little easier. All right. Now we're just gonna put a little flour on top and on my hands. Before I form that, I'm gonna take some semolina and place it on my parchment paper here. Now I'm going to go ahead and form this. You don't want to knead the dough very much, because you'll take all the air out of it and it won't cook properly. Just want to form it. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and put it right on our parchment paper here. Let's cut a nice X. And then we're gonna go ahead and preheat the oven. And while it's preheating for about 40 minutes, well, actually it'll only take about 10, 15 minutes. Then we'll throw the bread in the oven.
Yeah.
All right, the oven's all ready. We have it on 450 degrees. Right here, I've got just about 8 ounces of water I'm gonna put on the bottom shelf to help steam, create steam in the oven. This will help the bread get a nice crispy crust on it. All right, we're gonna cook this for about 30 to 40 minutes. It should be ready, but we'll check it after 30 minutes. All right, we're gonna make a nice olive oil dip for that great Italian bread. Right here, we have some rosemary. This is all fresh. We have some parsley. We have some fresh basil and red pepper and chopped garlic. And then I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper to it. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our olive oil and we're gonna put about a cup into this bowl here. That's about a cup. What do you say?
Maybe a little more, but that's all right.
We have our garlic.
It keeps in the refrigerator,
Red,
so
yeah.
have any left over, just put it in.
Fresh basil, parsley, and fresh rosemary as well.
Beautiful.
Just gonna go ahead and mix this up a little bit. Now we're gonna add probably about half a teaspoon of salt. Nah, about a quarter teaspoon. I don't want to over salt it. And then we're gonna crack some black pepper. Love the black pepper.
Beautiful.
There we go. Just let that rest for about 15 minutes, and we'll be dipping that bread in that olive oil there.
That warm bread with that olive oil mixture right there. Oh man,
It's going to be good.
beautiful.
All right. All right, it's been 30 minutes. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah. Very nice.
Came out nice. Oh,
Oh, look at that. Perfect.
beautiful,
all right.
man.
I'm going to bring that over here. And then I've got a cooling rack. I'm just going to go ahead and place this over here for about 15 minutes.
15?
Cut into it.
5 minutes, then we're eating.
All right. All right, let's cut into this bread. Nice and crunchy.
Oh yeah, looks good.
Oh, look at that. Nice and airy.
Came out really good.
Beautiful. And I'm going to go ahead and dip it in our dipping sauce here.
Dipping sauce. What are you eating? Chicken wings?
What do you call it then? All right. Come on, bring the camera up. Very, very good.
All right, let's eat.
All right, video. By the way, we're doing a little celebrating today. Dom and I hit 1,000 subscribers this week. So we pulled out the champagne and we're gonna do a little celebration here.
And thank you for everything.
Yes.
The views,
Absolutely.
all of it. The subscribers, the viewers. Thank you so much. There you
Hey! I couldn't tell with all the bubbles.
That's good.
There we go. All right. Hey, thank you very much. We appreciate the subscribers. We really appreciate you getting us here. And we hope you guys join us for a lot more videos. So,
And here's to everyone, all the subscribers, viewers, comments. Thank you so much.
yeah.
Salute.
Salud.